Bhagat Singh is one name that needs no introduction. He was a brave warrior, a revolutionary who sacrificed his life for the sake of India's independence from British rule. India lost many sons and daughters during the fight for independence. One of the most adored and celebrated freedom fighters is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born in Punjab Jat family on 27 September 1907 to Kishan Singh and Vidyavati in the village of Banga in the Lailpur district of the Punjab under the British rule, now in Pakistan. Bhagat Singh's father and his uncle Ajit Singh were active in progressive politics, taking part in the agitation around canal colonization bill in 1907 and later the Ghadar movement of 1914 to 1915. After being sent to the village school in Banga for few years, Bhagat Singh was enrolled in DAV school in Lahore. He joined the National College in Lahore. Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist and a revolutionary freedom fighter. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar on April 13, 1919 has a profound effect on Bhagat Singh. He turned his life to the independence movement. Naujawan Bharat Sabha was founded by Bhagat Singh and his revolutionary companions in March 1926. The Amritsar district in Punjab was one of the core centers of its imperialist activities. The main aim of inculcating the nationalist and revolutionary ideologies among the young students, peasants, and workers of India. Bhagat Singh joined the Hindustan Republican Association. At this time, he contacted with Chandrasekhar Azad, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. Bhagat Singh, along with Shivram Rajguru, killed Saunders to avenge Lala Lajpat Rai's death. On 8th April 1929, Bhagat Singh and Battukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly. The aim was not to kill anybody, but to make the deaf to be heard. They didn't escape after bombing. They shouted and screamed slogan "Inqilab Zindabad," allowed the authorities to arrest them. Bhagat Singh and his fellow revolutionaries went on hunger strike in protest to the poor conditions of Indian prisoners in Mianwali Jail, which is now in Pakistan. The hunger strike lasted 116 days and was a non-violent protest. They demanded them to be treated as political prisoners, receive newspapers, good food, and other facilities. The hunger strike received widespread media attention and public support. The strike ended with Jatin Das' death due to starvation. On 30 September 1929, Jatin Das died after 63 days hunger strike. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev were sentenced to death in the Lahore conspiracy case and ordered to be hanged on 24 March 1931. The schedule was moved forward by 11 hours. Bhagat Singh's last wish was to finish reading the book on Lenin's life before he died. They were hanged in Lahore jail on 23 March 1931 at 7:30 am. The three friends were together in their love for the country, embraced to get martyrdom altogether. The three brave hearts were cremated at Hussainiwala, located beside the river Satluj. Bhagat Singh was an inspiration to our younger generations. सरफिरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का तिल में है।